Hey guys, I'm here today with my Kawaii box unboxing. Excuse my voice, I'm a little sick, but I really got excited because I got this yesterday and I've been waiting for it to come and I'm like so excited. So here we go. So let me unbox this. Because there's so much freaking tape on here. Okay. So much tape. Da 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 da. Oh no, it's ripping up the box. I don't want to do that, but yeah, it's hard not to. Okay, so what is this not working? Oh, there we go. Kawaii overload. I don't want anything to fall. So it looks like this. Let's see what we have in here. Oh my gosh, all this stuff is so cute. Okay, so these are sticky notes. Really cute. Gudetama. That's one of the things I was excited for. I love Gudetama so much, guys. What else here? Oh my god, I don't know what this is. It's like little mini deco tape. I'm not exactly sure. Is this like washi tape? I think so. It seems like that. Oh my god, they're so sparkly and so cute. Ah! This is really cute with this character. I'm not exactly sure what it is. This is also tape. Looks really cute because it's like unicorn themed and whatever. Ah, this is so fun. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but it seems like some type of candy. It's all in, I believe, Japanese. I've been to Japan, but I have no idea what it says on here. There's also this really cute button. Looks like it. I think I will definitely use this. There's some. I think this is a pen. Yes, it's a pen with a unicorn that lights up. Oh my god, I love it! I'm obsessed with it. It's purple. That's my favorite color. They must have known. And now there's another unicorn one that's also a pen. These are so cute. I love them. And then it looks like the last thing is this one that I saw in the sneak peek. That is so cute. Let me just take this out of the wrapping because I need to. It's so cute. So it looks like it's a little chick or something. Oh no, I don't know what it is exactly. But it's supposed to be trying to be acting like a chicken. I think it's adorable. Oh my god, I love it. And let's see, I think there's like a card or something in here. Yeah. Excuse me, I'm sick. Yeah, Kawaii box. And it tells you everything that is in here. So obviously I went through it. I guess that this candy is some type of gummy. The tape set that I showed you is this one. The sticky note thing is this one. Oh, that's a travel badge. So this is a travel badge. I did not get that right. So I attach it to my bag so it will like follow you everywhere. This pen that lights up, again, so cute. And then the Gudetama stickers. I love Gudetama, so I think this might be one of my favorites in this set. Although the unicorn pen is so cute. I love it. Um, this is a gel pen. That's what it says. Ooh, I love gel pens. And then there's a notepad that I think is really cute. And then some really cute washi tape and the little plushie that is adorable. This was definitely worth it. It's real. I got it for $14.50 in US dollars, and it was totally worth it. I can put my referral code down below, and you can get $5 off, because that's what I did. I shared it with a friend. And yeah, I'm gonna be one of these people one day. I'm trying to become someone who's like known for doing these unboxings, because this stuff is so cute, and honestly it's better than other unboxing stuff that I've done, that it's you pay way too much, and yeah, it's just, yeah, and like even it says on here, like, share your unboxing to win Kawaii mega box worth $100. Like, the idea that I can get a chance of that, most boxes I've gotten have not even given me that chance. So I really was so excited. I got all this stuff. I love this box, and I'm not unsubscribing, because this is already better than other boxes I've gotten in the past. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, so I'm really excited now. My friend decided to get the next box, and I'm gonna tell her this one is so freaking fantastic. And she was telling me I was gonna love it. Yeah, and I do. So again, this little guy sticks out more than the other things. But whatever. Thanks for watching, guys, and I love you. Goodbye.